Hello and welcome. In this video we bring to you STARBOX 1280. This is a magnificent 3-bedroom shipping container house designed using 6 shipping containers. Stay tuned to find out more about this amazing design. Welcome back. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, our YouTube channel is a one-stop shop for a complete guide on how to design, how to build, how to insulate, and a collection of hundreds of blueprints for container homes designs. In addition, we also cover case studies of the best homes made from shipping containers from around the world. For this and more, feel free to subscribe and remember to click on the bell so that you don't miss out on any of our amazing weekly videos. You can also contact us on our website sheltermode.com or follow us on social media platforms through the links in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. Design concept. This design uses 6 shipping containers, 4 20-foot shipping containers and 2 40-foot shipping containers to create a 1280 plus square feet STARBOX house. The 3 pairs of containers are arranged in a 3-pointed star layout to create a STARBOX with 3 wings. We have a central foyer that links the 3 wings of the house with the master bedroom on the left wing, the other 2 bedrooms on the right wing, and a frontal loading with the living space. A private outdoor deck with a pool is added to enhance the outdoor living. Design brief. This stunning family house, made from 6 high-cube shipping containers, creatively accommodates the following salient features in the 1280 plus square feet of habitable space. From a covered entrance porch, you get into an entrance lobby which ushers you into an open plan living space. This open plan living space has a cozy lounge space with ample lighting and access to private Juliet balconies, a generous dining table that can seat up to 8. On the extreme end of the open plan living, we have an open plan kitchen with a breakfast table for 3. The kitchen has got adequate overhead storage and under the counter storage. From the entrance lobby, you can access a small laundry space which can also be converted into a cloak room depending on personal preference. Entrance lobby, you are able to access an additional triangular shaped private lobby to access the bedroom spaces. This triangular private lobby space has an elevated roof with clerestory lighting and a circular shaped skylight. The space is awash with light and well ventilated to make this space ambient and functional. From there, you should be able to access 2 small bedroom spaces, one that can act as a children's bedroom and another one as a guest bedroom, and they all have adequate wardrobe space and they are all ensuite. We also have a master bedroom that occupies the last pair of 20-foot shipping containers. From this particular set, you get a master bedroom with a mini lounge and is also ensuite and has a walk-in closet. On the foundation design, the containers sit on a reinforced concrete raft foundation. This allows us to elevate the containers off from the ground and away from moisture. So you are encouraged to observe good construction practices when you are constructing your foundation. Feel free to check out our previous video on the top 5 foundation types that are used in shipping container homes and buildings for more understanding. When it comes to the structure and modifications, you find that the roof and the walls of shipping containers are structural and load bearing, and therefore you need to ensure that any cutouts you make in the roof and the walls are reinforced with additional steel sections. In this regard, the open plan living space has got all its internal walls removed, and the space needs to be given additional reinforcement, and in this particular case we have additional steel reinforcement and also an additional vertical steel column in the middle separating the dining and the living space. Outdoors and exterior design. The entire design includes 6 shipping containers, and if you are using one trip shipping containers, you are encouraged to leave its original colors and markings so that you can save on the cost of painting the shipping containers afresh. We've also provided a generous outdoor living space in form of a pool deck that can complement outdoor living, and also we have private Juliet balconies to the master bedroom and the living space respectively. When it comes to furniture and interior design, you are encouraged to observe minimalist interiors by avoiding cluttering your spaces with unnecessary furniture. In this regard, you are encouraged to use space-saving furniture and space-saving furniture ideas when you are furnishing your house. Light-colored finishes for your interiors are desirable to make the space look brighter and bigger, and hence help you kill the claustrophobic feel of the constricting dimensions of shipping containers. Since these are shipping container buildings, you need to observe proper insulation and temperature control strategies. You need to use proper insulation material depending on the climate where you intend to build. If you are building in the cold climate, use closed cell spray foam insulation because it will give you good moisture barrier properties and it has got good R values for proper insulation. If you live in the tropics, keeping heat out of your shipping container house is of paramount importance, and therefore you need to make sure you have adequate cross ventilation. Feel free to check out our previous video on the top 8 insulation and temperature control strategies for shipping container homes. If you like this design and would wish to fabricate one or to do it as a DIY project, feel free to visit our website sheltermode.com, and you can purchase a set of drawings including dimension floor plans, roof plan, elevations, and section details. The drawings come in DWG and PDF formats for your preference. Feel free to also contact us on our social media pages by sending us a message or contacting us on email using info@sheltermode.com. We hope you like this amazing shipping container design. Kindly let us know what you think by posting in the comments section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe and see you in the next video.